The modern agricultural matrix has conditioned you to believe that the growing season operates on a rigid corporate calendar. You are told that if you missed the massive spring planting rush, or if your summer tomatoes burned up in the heat, your garden is completely finished until next year. The big box garden centers pack up their soil and seeds by late summer, replacing them with plastic Halloween decorations, actively sending you the psychological signal that it is time to surrender your food supply back to the grocery store. This is a complete biological fabrication. The truth that ancestral farmers understood is that the late summer and early autumn window is actually the most forgiving, highly productive growing environment of the entire year. The brutal heat of midsummer is breaking, the insect populations are dying off, and the soil is already deeply pre-warmed, creating a massive thermal battery that triggers explosive seed germination. You do not need to buy expensive, chemical-laden hothouse transplants to secure a fall harvest. You need to deploy a specific, hyper-efficient class of fast-maturing genetics. There is a precise category of seeds engineered to go from a dry speck of dirt to a massive, calorie-dense harvest in under 60 days, easily beating the first killing frost. Today, we are ignoring the retail calendar. We are breaking down the exact biochemistry, the days to maturity, and the specific ancestral varieties of the 6 fastest growing crops you can put in your soil right now to secure a massive autumn yield. The multi-billion-dollar grocery syndicates rely entirely on your hesitance. They need you to abandon your soil in the late season so you remain perpetually trapped in their expensive winter supply chain. If you want to pull these verifiable, fast-growth blueprints out of the shadows and deploy them on your own land today, hit that subscribe button and join the Grounded Harvest Network right now before this knowledge is suppressed by corporate algorithms. By subscribing, you are refusing to let centralized retail conglomerates dictate when your harvest ends. Secure your connection to our network now and let us dive directly into the ultimate biological speedrunner. To beat the frost clock, you must rely on the Brassica brassica family. These plants evolved to thrive as the daylight hours shorten and the temperatures drop. They do not just survive the cold, they actively utilize it to improve their flavor profile. Number 1. The French breakfast radish, 25 days to harvest. If you are racing the clock, the radish is your absolute first line of defense. The French breakfast variety completely shatters the timeline of traditional agriculture. From the moment the seed touches damp earth, it takes exactly 25 days to produce a harvestable, nutrient-dense root. The autumn advantage. When planted in the spring, radishes battle the rising heat, which causes them to turn woody and aggressively bitter. When planted in the cooling autumn soil, the dropping temperatures suppress their natural mustard oils, resulting in a hypercrisp, mild, deeply hydrating food source that you can succession plant every single week until the snow falls. Number 2. Ancestral bok choy, 45 days to harvest. Do not buy wilted, heavily sprayed bok choy from an imported grocery shelf. This Asian mustard green is a biological powerhouse that matures incredibly fast. Within 45 days, it produces a dense, heavy rosette of thick, water-rich stems and dark green leaves. The cut and come again protocol. You do not have to wait for the entire head to mature. At day 30, you can begin harvesting the outer leaves for immediate stir-fries and nutritional intake, and the plant will rapidly regenerate new growth from its central biological core. It is a continuous, living food dispenser. Think about the sheer biological leverage of a 25-day harvest cycle. You are literally pulling medicine-grade food out of the ground less than a month after dropping a seed, entirely bypassing the fragile commercial supply chain. This is how the Matrix loses its power when you realize that securing your family's food supply is not a waiting game, it is a tactical deployment. If this realization shifts your perspective on backyard self-reliance, take 1 second right now to hit that subscribe button. When you join Grounded Harvest, you directly fund the preservation of these rapid turnaround blueprints. Hit subscribe to stand against the manipulation and let us transition into the leafy accelerators. You must secure high-density cellular nutrition before the sunlight fades. While standard head lettuce takes months to form and rots in the damp autumn rain, there are specific greens engineered for rapid, cold weather expansion. Number 3. Roquette arugula, 30 days to harvest. Arugula is a ruthless, highly aggressive weed disguised as a gourmet salad green. While commercial farms struggle to keep it alive in the summer heat without heavy chemical shading, it absolutely explodes in the late-season garden. The flea beetle evasion. By planting arugula late in the season, you entirely bypass the life cycle of the flea beetle, the primary pest that shreds brassica leaves in the spring. You get pristine, deeply serrated leaves in exactly 4 weeks, packed with high levels of glucosinolates to actively flush toxins from your liver. Number 4. Giant winter spinach, 40 days to harvest. Spinach is fundamentally a cold weather survival crop. If you plant a variety like Giant Winter or Bloomstill long-standing this month, you will have harvestable greens in just over a month. The antifreeze conversion. As the autumn nights approach freezing, the spinach plant recognizes the thermal threat. It actively converts its internal starches into pure sugars to prevent ice crystals from destroying its cellular walls. A late-season spinach leaf is mathematically sweeter and more nutrient-dense than anything you will ever buy in a summer grocery aisle. We have officially crossed the midpoint of this breakdown, and the protocol is entirely clear. True agricultural sovereignty requires a conscious commitment to maximizing every single day of your localized growing season. If you are ready to walk away from the corporate calendar and squeeze every ounce of productivity from your soil, hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing to Grounded Harvest, you ensure that this relentless, non-industrial wisdom is passed down to the next generation of free thinkers. Tap that subscribe button to officially join our network today and let us decode the heavy, calorie-dense producers you must plant immediately. Leaves and radishes are vital for cellular medicine, but survival requires heavy, complex calories. You can still produce massive, filling harvests in a tight window if you select the correct genetics. Number 5. The Purple Top White Globe Turnip, 50 days to harvest. The turnip is the ultimate Depression-era survival tool. Within 50 days, this specific ancestral variety produces a heavy, dense, carbohydrate-rich root that stores perfectly for months in a cold cellar. The dual-yield mechanic. The turnip provides 2 completely separate harvests from a single seed. On day 30, you harvest the broad, green tops which contain more calcium and iron than mature cabbage, and 20 days later, you pull the heavy, swollen root. It is the definition of biological efficiency in a shrinking timeframe. Number 6. Provider bush beans, 50 days to harvest. Most beans take months to vine, flower, and produce. The Provider bush bean was specifically bred by mid-century agronomists to emerge from cold soil and race to the finish line. It completely bypasses the need for trellising, growing into a compact bush that yields heavily in exactly 50 days. The nitrogen fix. As this fast-growing bean races toward maturity, its root system is actively pulling atmospheric nitrogen from the air and locking it into the soil. When the frost finally kills the plant, it leaves your garden bed heavily fertilized and perfectly prepped for next spring for absolutely zero cost. We have reached the absolute end of this disclosure, and the choice rests entirely with you. You can look at the calendar, accept the corporate narrative, and abandon your garden to the weeds, or you can draw a definitive line in the sand today. Secure your permanent place in the Grounded Harvest Underground Network by hitting that subscribe button right now before this video concludes. Do not risk losing your connection to these unadulterated blueprints of independence. By subscribing in these final moments, you're casting a direct vote for absolute physical autonomy, decentralized food production, and real biological literacy. Take definitive action, tap that subscribe button, and secure your position in our sovereign tribe right now. Reclaiming your status as a self-reliant producer starts the very moment you refuse to buy into the synthetic, seasonal illusion. Your soil is not dead. The season is not over. The earth is a massive thermal battery right now, practically begging you to utilize its stored energy before the winter closes in. Do not wait for next spring to start building your independence. Walk out to your garden this afternoon, clear away the dead summer vines, rake the soil flat, and press those radish, spinach, and turnip seeds directly into the earth. Let the cooling nights and the shortening days trigger the ancient, rapid growth mechanics that have kept humanity alive through the harshest transitions in history. The centralized food syndicates want you to believe that the window for survival is narrow, heavily restricted, and entirely dependent on their global shipping routes. But their narrative is a complete biological failure. The fundamental laws of rapid seed germination remain completely unalterable, and the $0 physics of the autumn harvest are waiting to be deployed by anyone who has the courage to step off the corporate grid. You hold the absolute power to break the cycle of dependency right now with your own 2 hands before the snow flies. Welcome to Grounded Harvest. Your agricultural sovereignty begins today.